Hey, third grade, ready for your art lesson? So over the past few weeks, we've been talking about posters because we're going to get into the art contest by making posters. And again, I just wanted to show you some of the really good examples of posters that I've gotten from our students, which shows me that you guys do know how to fill up the page, you know how to write big, you know how to get a point across. And last week, we started talking about how we're going to do this new art piece. But before I go any further, let's review. You're going to need a pencil and paper. You're going to need your blank paper, hopefully in your sketchbook, and your coloring supplies. And you might want your notes from last week. I mean, that's where we brainstormed. Your third grade expedition. Your guiding question has been amazing adaptations. This is how we are connecting art. We are creating anti-pollution posters, which will help us communicate information about the effects of pollution and humans on the environment. Our learning targets. I can understand what makes a poster successful, like the size of letters, the content of the poster, and the coloring quality. And I can make a poster that communicates the effects of pollutions and humans on the environment. Now let's think about the design process. Where are we in the design process? Are we on empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, or share? I'd say we're somewhere around the ideate and the prototype stage because we've already defined things and we are moving up into actually making them. So just a reminder, this is the art for the no time to waste. Now, I would love to be able to put you into the contest, but of course that is entirely up to you if you want to go into the contest. However, you are still doing this art for your grade. Whether or not you go into the contest is your choice, but for now, our grade and this assignment is we are making this kind of poster. This still ties into everything for you. It still works with your expedition. So this was an example of the kind of poster that somebody could use, somebody could make. Please do not actually copy this one, as this is someone else's artwork. And last week you guys did a brainstorm in your STEM journal, with this being an example of the kind of brainstorm we did in our STEM journals last week. On one side we wrote words that we might use, images or things that we might need or would want to use, and we made an actual small version of our poster down at the bottom. So if you can't remember what you were working on or what you had planned, look for your brainstorm. This week you will begin your large poster on a new sheet of paper. Please do not turn in your brainstorm notes. I need to see a new poster. You do not have to finish the whole thing this week. In fact, I want you to take your time with it. Work on getting things the right size and using the right images. Then take your time coloring it. All right? I will see you guys, and I look forward to seeing these posters.